Hello everyone, welcome back to Articskyfox. Today we're going to be talking about how to put Kick on your OBS system and how to get the key and the URL and just set it up properly. So let's go ahead and jump right into it, and I hope today's video helps you out. If it does, please let me know in the comments. Make sure to like this video, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is go to kick.com. You're going to go ahead and make an account very quickly if you haven't done it already. And once that account is set up, first things you're going to want to do is go to your little profile picture in the upper right corner. Come down here, go to Creator Dashboard. Once in your Creator Dashboard, you're going to want to go ahead and head to Settings. Once you head to Settings, you're going to go ahead and hit the Stream Key. On Stream Key, this is where you're going to find everything, your stream URL and your stream key. Always keep your stream key hidden. Never let anyone access this, or they will have access to your stream. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this part, which is OBS. On OBS, you're going to want to go to File, Settings. From Settings, you're going to want to go to Stream. Service must be put to custom. Nothing else. Must be custom. Your server URL will go right here, and then your stream key will be right here. Again, never show your stream key. Go ahead, leave this unchecked. Come down here and hit apply, and you will be streaming to Kick. Now, mine's a little different because I went through Restream.io to get it forwarded to Kick. It's supposed to help a little bit more with the issues that it had when it first came out. It may not have that. If you are having issues with OBS, go to Restream.io and just find the right server on Restream and plug it through here and put your stream key in. I'll make another video possibly on this if you guys want to know how I put this on here so I could get better settings and everything, and why I use Restream.io. I will go ahead and make that video. If you guys want me to make it, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I would be happy to make that video for everyone. If this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comment section. Smack that like button again, and please hit that subscribe button to see more informative videos on Kick streaming, tips, advice, and so much more.